In this section, I will show you how to set up a meeting in the private channel and use the meeting options to disable chat, recording, and transcription. This way, you can have a secret offline seminar with your selected audience without leaving any traces. First, you need to create a private channel in your team. A private channel is a focused space for collaboration that only the members of the channel can access. To create a private channel, go to the team where you want to add the channel, click More options next to the team name, and then select Add Channel. Give your channel a name and a description, and then select Private under Privacy. Next, add the people you want to invite to your seminar as members of the private channel. You can also add guests if they are already members of the team. Once you have created your private channel, you can schedule a meeting in it. To do that, go to the Posts tab of the channel, click Meet in the top right corner, and then select Schedule a Meeting. Fill in the meeting details, such as title, date, time, and recurrence. You can also add an agenda or additional information in the details box. When you are done, click Send. The meeting invitation will be posted in the channel and sent to the members via email. Now that you have scheduled your meeting, you can use the meeting options to disable chat, recording, and transcription. To access the meeting options, go to the meeting invitation in the channel or in your calendar, click More options next to Join, and then select Meeting Options. In the Meeting Options page, you can change various settings for your meeting, such as who can bypass the lobby, who can present, and who can react. To disable chat, recording, and transcription, do the following. Under Allow Meeting Chat, select Disabled. This will prevent anyone from sending or receiving chat messages during the meeting. Under Allow Cloud Recording, select Disabled. This will prevent anyone from starting or stopping a recording during the meeting. Under Allow Transcription, select Disabled. This will prevent anyone from viewing or downloading a live transcription during the meeting. After you have changed these settings, click Save. You have now configured your meeting to be as secret and offline as possible. To join the meeting, go to the channel or your calendar at the scheduled time, and click Join. You will see that the chat, recording, and transcription buttons are grayed out in the meeting controls. You can now start your seminar and share your screen or content with your audience. When you are done, click Leave to end the meeting. That's how you can set up a meeting in the private channel and use the meeting options to disable chat, recording, and transcription. I hope this was helpful and informative for you. In this section, I will show you how to share your screen or presentation with the participants and use the Raise Hand feature to interact with them. Sharing your screen or presentation is a great way to show your slides, demonstrate a software, or collaborate on a document with others. To do this, you need to click the Share Content option at the top of the Teams interface. This will open a panel where you can choose what you want to share. You have 4 options to share. Screen. This lets you share your entire screen, including notifications and other desktop activity. This is useful when you need to switch between multiple windows or apps during your presentation. Window. This lets you share a specific app window, and no notifications or other desktop activity. This is useful when you only need to show one thing and want to keep the rest of your screen private. PowerPoint. This lets you present a PowerPoint file that others can interact with. They can move through the slides at their own pace, or use the live subtitles feature to follow along in their preferred language. Whiteboard. This lets you collaborate with others in real time on a digital canvas. You can sketch, write, or draw with others and have your notes attached to the meeting. To share your screen or window, simply click on the option and then select the screen or window you want to share. To share a PowerPoint file, click on the option and then choose from one of your recently opened files, or browse to find your file. To share a whiteboard, click on the option and then start drawing on the blank canvas. When you are sharing your content, you will see a red border around it indicating that it is being shared. You can also see a toolbar at the top of your screen where you can stop sharing, give control to another participant, or include computer sound if you want to play a video or audio clip as part of your presentation. To stop sharing your content, simply click on the Stop Presenting button on the toolbar or on the Share Content panel. Now that you know how to share your content, let's talk about how to use the Raise Hand feature to interact with the participants. The Raise Hand feature allows you to signal that you have a question or comment without interrupting the speaker. To use this feature, you need to click on the Raise Hand button at the bottom of the Teams interface. This will show a yellow hand icon next to your name and video in the participant list. The speaker or organizer can see who has raised their hand and call on them to speak. They can also lower your hand if they have addressed your question or comment. To lower your hand manually, simply click on the lower hand button at the bottom of the Teams interface. This will remove the yellow hand icon next to your name and video. Using the Raise Hand feature is a polite and effective way to communicate with the speaker and other participants during a presentation. That's all for this section. I hope you learned something useful today. Thank you for watching.